Hello, pot delighters. Welcome back to my kitchen. Here we make simple and easy to follow recipes. Do you grab your tortillas from the supermarket? Well, watch this video as I show you the simplest way to make them at home with these ingredients. 390 grams of all-purpose flour, 6 grams salt, 4 grams baking powder, 650 ml water, then 50 ml coconut oil. You know, coconut oil will take your wrap to the next level. It will give you that tasty flavor you are looking for in wraps. Now let's begin. Add all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. I mean the flour, salt, and the baking powder. Mix well. You can use a whisk. It makes mixing quite easy. Gradually add the water and continue mixing. Add the coconut oil. Mix until there are no lumps. You know, that's not going to be an easy work, but you have to keep mixing until it becomes lumps free. Now our batter is ready. Lightly oil your large size frying pan as we are going to pan fry it over medium to low heat. Once the pan is heated enough, pour a ladle of the batter in the middle of the pan. Spread it thinly in the pan with the back of the tablespoon. Turn it over once the batter has set. You can gently press the edges whilst you flip it again. Keep pressing the edges and turn it over. So you can do so frequently to spread the heat evenly. You will notice air bubbles. Then keep patting the air bubbles. Continue flipping whilst pressing the edges. Keep doing this until both sides are well cooked. So now you see both sides are evenly cooked and it is ready to serve. These wraps turn out to be so soft and you would definitely like it. Let me know in the comment section what you are going to use your tortilla wraps for. I will make a video of how I use it for omelette. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more recipes. Bye and see you in my next video.